Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. State Bank of India's bad loans shoot up. Reliance Power's earnings beat estimates. And markets begin the week flat. We start with the country's largest lender, State Bank of India. High demand for loans helped SBI post healthy profits in the third quarter. But bad loans have also shot up, raising concerns about the bank's performance. Profit rose 15% to 3,263 crores, compared to the same period the previous year. That was on a 26.7% increase in net interest income to 11,470 crores. On the downside, non-performing loans are now at a record high, up 40,098 crores compared to 23,438 in the year-ago period. That in turn means gross NPAs are now at 4.61% on loans. SBI Chairman Pradeep Chaudhary said about 1/4 of the increase in NPAs was because of loans to an airline. And while he did not mention which airline, it's clear he was referring to Kingfisher, the troubled carrier that has its debt classified as an NPA during the third quarter. Shares of SBI dropped 2% on the BSE to 2,129, even as the Sensex rose modestly. Also in earnings, Anil Ambani's Reliance Power has done better than expected in the third quarter. The company reported a 42% rise in net profit to 204 crores. That was on an 82% jump in revenue to 457. News of the earnings sent its shares soaring 1.42% on the BSE to 106 rupees and 80 paise. And finally, Indian markets ended Monday flat after a volatile session. While conditions at home haven't improved, investor confidence rose over hopes that things would finally settle down in Greece. The Sensex nudged up 0.14% to 17,773, and the Nifty closed 0.16% higher at 5,390. And while State Bank of India's shares may have tumbled, other banks outperformed the indices on Monday. ICICI Bank rose 0.69% on the BSE to 935, and HDFC Bank went up 1.12% to 522. It was a mixed day across other industries. IT major Wipro dropped more than 2.5% on the BSE after Goldman Sachs downgraded it to sell from neutral. And India's largest company, RIL, gained 0.71% a day after it signed a cooperation pact with the French defence firm Dassault Aviation. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.